So you want to learn affiliate marketing. You want to start or create an affiliate marketing business, but you don't know where to start. So stay with me throughout this video because I'm going to give you that guidance. Look guys, I know affiliate marketing is like, is it simple? Is it complex? Where do I go? What tools do I use? What course do I take? Look, when I first got started in affiliate marketing, it took me a year before I got out of learning and I got stuck. Okay, so what happened to me personally is I jumped in, I joined this course, that course, bought that software, and I spent thousands of dollars, and it took me a year, and I didn't take any action because I was paralyzed and overwhelmed by the amount of information that was out there, and I wanted to have everything perfect, and I realized launching imperfectly is the way to go. You don't have to be an expert at creating a video. You don't have to be an expert at creating a course. You don't have to be an expert at anything. You just have to get started. You have to put it out there and you have to get going to get to that next step. If you don't ever do that, you don't ever take that first step, it takes forever. So you can go to Google and you can search how to create an online business, how to create an affiliate marketing business, and you're going to get a lot of information. You're going to get bombarded with information, but it's like, where do you start? And that's what happened to me. Now, what I'm going to share with you in this video is, okay, a place to go to get a training, a place to go to get a good affiliate marketing program to actually learn and promote. So that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. So don't run off. Stay with me throughout the entire video. And I do have a bonus and I'll pop in the middle of the video and I'll show you that bonus. So stay with me throughout this video so you can see what that bonus will be, okay? And it's a free bonus to everybody that watches this video. So if you get out now, you know, you didn't last 2-3 minutes on this video and you missed the bonus. All right, so let's get right into today's video and we're going to jump into my computer screen right now. All right, guys, we're in my computer and we're going to talk all about affiliate marketing, okay? Now, my name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate marketing, mindset, freedom, all that fun stuff on this channel to help you minimize your time between getting started and making money, okay? Now, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and drop me some comments down below. Just let me know what country you're from. Let me know what you want to hear more of, okay? Let's hear your opinions, okay? That's what I'm all about. Now, we're going to talk about starting affiliate marketing, okay? So in this video, what we're going to be talking about is how to get started with affiliate marketing, okay? How do you start or how do you create an affiliate marketing business? The very first thing you want to do is decide a platform. You got to decide which platforms you're going to use. Are you going to use ClickFunnels? Are you going to use GetResponse? Are you going to use whatever? You got to figure out what platforms you're going to use to build out your stuff, okay? Now, this could be a slew of different things, and there's no one perfect thing, okay? So we're not going to talk about the perfect products or anything like that. We're just kind of going through the basics here, okay? Then you got to choose your niche, whether it's health, wealth, wellness. You got to find your niche, okay? Do you like fishing, cooking, quilting, whatever it is? You have a niche. You have something that you like to do. Then you got to find affiliate programs to join. You might be interested in learning. You might be interested in whatever. It could be an Amazon affiliate program, okay? It could be ClickBank. It could be many different things. There's thousands out there, tens of thousands. You got to create content. I recommend video content because it's evergreen, YouTube. But you can create content on a blog if you like writing. It just takes longer. You got to drive traffic to your affiliate site, whether it's organic or paid. Organic slower, not really scalable, but it's converts better, okay? Now, you got to get clicks on those links. So just getting traffic to them, now you got to get people to click on them to convert them to sales. Okay, so that's basically what affiliate marketing is. Okay, it's 7 steps. Get your platform, your niche, your affiliate programs joined, create your content, drive traffic, get clicks, and then convert to sales. That's it. That's what affiliate marketing is. And you're probably like, Zeb, I already know this. That's why I came to this video, because I want to figure out how to get over the hump. And now, when I first started in affiliate marketing, let me tell you a little story about myself. I struggled immensely on finding the right place to go. And I found a challenge. I had a 15-day challenge that I joined, and that was the changer for me. That's when I first made my first $100 day, my first $200 day, my first $500 day, my first $1,000 day, my first $1,500 day. I did all that with the help of this one 15-day challenge. And I can tell you right now, what I'm about to show you, it will change your life if you let it. If you want it, if you want to work to get where you're at. There's no get rich quick schemes, guys. There's no magic pill. If you're chasing that magic pill, you're never going to find it. None of these gurus out there making 7 figures a year, 8 figures a year, 6 figures a year, not one single one of them had overnight success. They worked their tail off. They learned how to market, and that's how they make money. Okay. Now, how do you get started, Zeb? That's what you're asking, right? Now, if you click the link in the top of the description, it's going to take you to my 15-day challenge. This 15-day challenge is only $7. I'm going to tell you right up front, it costs you $7. Go through, invest $7 in yourself, go through the 15 days, do it right, and it will change you. It'll change your mindset. It'll change everything for you. And I guarantee it will if you want it to. Because thousands of people have done this, and it's changed their whole outlook on life. There is countless number of people that have quit their full-time jobs to do things online by going through this 15-day challenge. And this is for anyone that wants to start a profitable online business but doesn't know where to begin, guys. This is a perfect spot for those people. Now, will it take a lot of blood, sweat, and tears? Yes. Will it take money to invest in yourself? Yes. Do you have to buy tools? Yes. Nothing is free. You can't go out there and start a business with $0. Anybody tells you can, you can't. You need to have some kind of tools. Now, one thing you're going to get out of this, it's going to give you an idea of what affiliate marketing is, okay? So when you come to this page, okay, you're going to come to a page that's going to ask you for your email address, and you're going to then make it to this page, okay? Watch that video up there. This is what you're going to get out of the 15-day challenge, okay? This is what you're getting. And you're getting a lot of material, and we'll take you to the back office and show you kind of what you're getting here. But you're getting 15 days of solid stuff here, guys. And one of the most valuable things you're going to get out of this is you get to talk to a person that helps you through all this stuff, guys, a live person. That alone should be, it's invaluable. This 15-day challenge should be $197 because the value you get out of this, the value I got out of this, the amount of money that I made by switching my mindset to what the core values of this 15-day challenge is just mind-blowing, okay? Now, when you go through this 15-day challenge, you're going to come in and you're going to get 7 additional bonuses, guys. 7 additional bonuses in addition to the 15-day challenge. So not only are you getting 15-day challenge, you're getting some bonuses as well, all for $7, and you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is bonkers, but that's what they give you, okay? Now, you can sit on the fence and say, I don't know, it's some scam, or you can be like me and say, you know what, I'm going to dive in this and see what it's all about. And I can guarantee you, if you really want to make it online, this is a good place to start. And I wouldn't be sharing it with you if it was something stupid because I went through it. It changed me, and I know it works. Okay, because I've had lots of people tell me it works. Now, for the bonus I was talking about, I'm going to give you a bonus too to my course for free. And my course, there's a link, the second link in the description below. It'll take you to my free course. Okay? $56biz.com. And what this course does, it's a course I created. What it does is it shows you how to start the online business, online affiliate marketing business for as little as $56. So what I did with this course is I went out and I scrubbed the internet to find what tools could I get to give me the education, the email marketing software, the funnel building software, the custom domains, the tracking links, all that stuff for under $100. So what I did is I went out on a journey, okay? I was like, I'm going to get this software, buy that software, buy this software. And I tested a slew of softwares. I came up with a suite for $56. And what you get out of this course is I go through, it's a digital course, it's videos. I go through, okay, this is what you need to do. There's 3 core components. There's your, I send people to the 15-day challenge. There is the email marketing software. You learn about that. There is the funnel builder, which I found a great funnel builder for very, very affordable price. So log in there and get that. And I teach you how to get your custom domain, your email address, how to track links, all that stuff inside this. So this, in combination of your 15-day challenge, is a game changer. Because what I'm going to do here, for people that have a small budget, now if you already have ClickFunnels and stuff like that, that's great. ClickFunnels is what I use, and I downheartedly, that is the best funnel builder software. I mean, hands down, that's my favorite. I've used all of them, and I always go back to ClickFunnels because it can do it all, and it's simple, and it just looks good. Okay, my course is created on ClickFunnels, so you'll be able to see what ClickFunnels can do. All right, so this is the power of this online biz that I created. All right, so it's going to help you make that step. Okay, now this is my bonus to you. Get it, go with it. It's totally free, 100% free. It's going to show you how you can get up and running for as little as $56. Have your tools set up. Have everything in place so you can start making money. Okay? Now, let's jump back to the 15-day challenge. What are you going to get? Let's go into the back office here. So when you join the 15-day challenge, it's going to take you to this screen. This is your back office. Okay? This is your back office. Now, what you're going to get here is 15 days. Each day, look, day 1, 51 minutes. Day 2, 45 minutes. Day 3, 44 minutes. These aren't like 15-minute videos, guys. This is jam-packed with content every single day. So what I challenge you to do, your very, very first day, this is what I did. This is what changed everything for me. That's why I'm sharing it with you, okay? I would not be sharing this with you if it did not work for me, okay? Look, I've had multiple $1,000 days with Legendary alone. And that's just with one stream of income. So everything you see on the internet about Legendary, that's good, it's true. And you can decide for yourself, guys, okay? Look, come in here. The first thing I would like you to do, come here, take your quiz, and schedule your one-on-one call. Because this right here, this is where the gold is, guys. This is worth so much money right here because you're going to talk to somebody that's already doing 6-7 figures a year. That's already full-time online, okay? They're going to help you decide how to go through this course. They're going to help you navigate this 15-day challenge, okay? Now, in addition, go to the Monday through Friday Wake Up Legendary calls. They're 10 a.m. Eastern. If you miss them, they're live on Facebook. They're recorded, okay? So you can always go back and watch them if you have to work, if you're sleeping, or if 10 a.m. Eastern is your night. Go in and watch these. These things are jam-packed of awesome content. So not only are you getting 15 days of crazy, crazy content, you're getting a one-on-one business plan call with an advisor that's going to be tied to you that you can ask questions throughout your 15-day challenge. You're also going to get access to Monday through Friday wake-up legendary calls, and these calls are anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour long. And there's some, I've gotten so many gold nuggets out of just these alone. It's bonkers how much value you'll get out of this course. How much value you get out of Legendary Marketer. So click the link in the description. Go get signed up for this 15-day challenge. Sign up for my free course that's going to show you how to get started for as little as $56 in online, okay? And get started today. Because if you wait, you'll never know if you could have done it. The longer you postpone, the longer you procrastinate, the longer it's going to take you to decide, the longer it's going to take you to make money, the longer it's going to take you to be free, the longer it's going to take you to break the chains from the 9 to 5. Because I can tell you right now, if I got laid off, I have no job. Zero jobs. I have no job. If I didn't have affiliate marketing, I would not know what I'd be doing right now. I'd be flipping burgers at McDonald's or something. Okay, so this is what changed my life. And I honestly can say, if it can change mine, it can change yours too. I'm just your average Joe. I'm just your average dad. Look, I'm in my mid-40s. I have 2 kids. I'm the sole proprietor. I have my own business. I am the main source of income for my family. If I didn't have online business, if I didn't have affiliate marketing to fall back on after I got laid off from a very nice job, then I wouldn't know what to do right now. But I have it, and I put this in place over the last couple years, and now I'm looking to do it full time. Okay, so guys, click the link down below, join the 15-day challenge, go get my course. Click on the links below, get my course, join the 15-day challenge, and change your life. Peace.